You know, when I first moved into my flat, I thought I had it all figured out. But urgent repairs, still kind of a mystery to me.
Really? Think of it as the ultimate list of repairs. They're the repairs, if not fixed, can impact your privacy or safety. Take the classic burst pipe, for example. Imagine a waterfall in your kitchen. Call your rental emergency number, pronto.
Okay, that makes sense.
Hello?
Hey, my kitchen's turned into a pond. Can you send someone over?
Yep, always back up your calls in writing too. Emails are your best friend.
Got it. Consider it done. So, what's the timeline on repairs? How quickly do they need to be made?
If it's classed as urgent repairs need to be fixed straight away.
Really? Straight away?
Yep. You also have options if you don't get a response. You can call Consumer Affairs, or you can pay it for yourself if it's under 2.5K, and they will have to pay you back within 7 days.